Hello everyone, welcome to Listen Up. In this video, we are going to discuss about system. System is a physical device. Suppose you have a bike or a scooter. Once you put acceleration in your scooter, you know the output that your scooter will move from one point to another point, which means a system is defined as a physical device that generates expected output with the available input. In this example, the input is accelerator and output is movement of your scooter, and your scooter is a system. A system is an operator which map relationship between input and output. Now, suppose a system is denoted by T, which is a system operation or system operator. It can be amplifier, motor, turbine, filter, boiler, it can be anything. If we give x of t as a input, and this is a system with operator t, your expected output will be y of t, which should be equal to t of x of t. Here x of t is excitation, y of t is response, and t is operator. Suppose you have a system square. With the given input x of t, you will get output y of t, which should be x of t square. Similarly, suppose you have a system differential d by dt. If you give input as x of t, you will get output y of t, which should be equal to d x of t by dt. So, system map the relation between output and input. And if we know the system, the output should be expected. Now, we will talk about type of system. So, first is continuous time and discrete time system. Second, differential system and difference system. Third, impulse response model. Fourth, transfer function model. And fifth, state space analysis. Now these four belongs to SISO, which is single input, single output, whereas state space analysis based on MIMO, which is multiple input, multiple output. Now, in a system, if input and output is known, then you can get to know about system. So this is called system synthesis. If you know input and system, this is known, then you can get output. So this is called system analysis. Now we will see classification of system. Our system is classified in first linear and non-linear system, second time variant and time invariant system, third causal and non-causal system, fourth static and dynamic system, fifth stable and unstable system, sixth invertible and non-invertible system,